What's going on, guys? Today, alright, look, I'm gonna cut to the bullshit. I was gonna do a car reveal of this car that you guys haven't seen in a minute, but I tried to do a pull and fucking I don't even know what the fuck happened, and it just fucking stopped at the light. Me and my boy Gennaro Jay-Z, he doesn't have a 2JZ. I don't know why he fucking has Gennaro Jay-Z on his name. We had to push it to McDonald's. We get to McDonald's and here we are, you feel me, with my cameraman, Club Yee. Go ahead, get yourself on the camera, nigga. Come on, bro.
What's up? What's up?
Hey,
what's
that's Rice Gum. Hey, Club Yee, aka Rice Gum, you feel me? So me and Caleb have been here for a minute and we kind of figured out that this is an axle problem. The passenger side axle popped out, so we're just gonna get started on there while we wait for everyone else. I already loosened this shit earlier, that way I don't look like I'm struggling on camera and shit, nigga. Big as fuck, you feel me? Hey, daddy, daddy, fuck yeah, oh yeah, fuck nigga, I'm tired. Hey, check this out, guess where we're at? Look, if McDonald's doesn't sponsor me after this fucking video, your mom's a hoe, you feel me? Fuck you, Ray. Hey, I'm doing this shit. This is like advertising for y'all niggas, you feel me? What? Bless you. No problem. That's a good Samaritan, nigga. Hey, dude, I literally did a pull in this shit fucking... It did this shit to me, man.
Alright, the gayest man is here. What's up?
Ah, bitch.
What happened?
Oh, look at what happened to the ring, bro.
That shit fucked up.
It's bent, dude.
Wait, let me see. Yeah, that shit's fucked up.
That's why it fucking popped out, bro. Finger the fucking hole real quick.
Fucking Tyrone.
Tyrese, nigga, not Tyrone.
No, he's Tyrone.
Hey, everything is straight, dog. We just need a replacement. Nigga, I feel hella powerful, nigga, like Thor, nigga. When... Ah, nigga. Fuck.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Yo, boy, Joshua for a door.
You said it wrong, dumbass.
How do you say it?
It's Emperador. No.
That's how you do it. Yeah. And we finna go pick up his axle right now.
Not my axle.
We looking for some bitches.
Oh, right here? Yeah, I like that. Just like Andre.
Alright, bro. So we out of Riley's, and this is my new whip. I just got it. Hold on. Hey, give me my keys back, bro. Give me my keys back. Hold on. Let me undo the trunk real quick.
Alright, he's good.
Alright, bro. So anyways, gotta get this axle right now. I guess this store in Laguna didn't have it, and now we gotta go to our boy Andre, you know, the darkest one in Fulminate, and yeah.
Fucking pulley, dumb fuck.
Why your shit got no power fucking trunk? What the fuck?
Bro, you just fucking weak.
This is why I don't own this shit, cause this shit ass.
Hey, you drive. I don't want to drive.
I drive my car.
You can't even keep boost.
Okay, it still costs more.
Just saying, man, you can't even keep boost, bro.
So this is a...
Yeah, I'm normally behind the camera, but I'm at work and shit. So this better be the right one too.
They don't match up.
So what happened?
I don't know. He money shifted. You know, 1, 2, 3, 2.
Are you serious?
No, I'm playing with you.
Oh.
But I don't know. I think is
Who took him to pick it up, Gennaro?
What? No, me. Let's see. Oh, you calling right now?
Huh?
Hold on.
Did you guys get the passenger yet?
We just got here. Eliminate Andre's opening the box right now.
You feel me?
Yep.
Make sure it's the same one, bro.
That's what he's doing.
That's why we got the Honda tech here. The slow guy.
Exactly. So, alright, bro. We'll be there in a bit. We're checking it right now. Alright, bro.
Same one, right? Looks dead on it.
I'm trying to focus. This shit won't focus. Yep. And then right here is where it fucked up. The ring. See how that fucked up that ring is?
It looks just like, well, it's the same one, so. Yeah, this is literally the exact same one.
Shit, come on, man. Like that? Yeah, hold on. Fuck! Shit! Come on, man. I'm just fucking with y'all, nigga. It's been in, you feel me, nigga? I gotta make it look like it's not, though. Alright, come on, bro. Let me see. Hold on. Twist it. That way I can,
Twist what?
that. So I can put the axle in. Suck some bullets, man. Okay. Oh, fuck, bitch. Yeah, I'm Shaq West, and I'm getting really. No, the old one. I mean the new one.
Are you for?
The new one. All right, get off.
Wait, is that my phone?
Fuck this, man. Nigga, it's my mama's birthday today, bruh. It's my mama's birthday today, nigga. Look what we doing. After some good old Island Pacific and shit. That's bullshit, nigga. Nigga just went to Island Pacific, got a car, nigga came back and it's fucked up. That should be straight. This nigga so strong, this nigga moving the car, nigga.
With the e-brake up.
With the e-brake up, nigga, like a bull, bruh. Should be straight, bro. Damn, this nigga moved the whole car, nigga. I wanna be like you. I wanna be like you. Nigga, I might as well fix that alternator fucking belt squeak right now. You hear it? The belt is fucked up, bruh. I need a new belt. Look, it's so fucking brittle. You hear it?
Nigga hella gay, bro. He touched my butthole and shit.
Alright, y'all, so basically the whole point of this video was I was supposed to showcase the new car. Well, it's not really new, but you know, taking it out of retirement. But I ended up doing a pull and fucking it up and fixing it in front of McDonald's. So, you know what I'm saying? I just want to say, hey, shout out to my cousin. Shout out to Club for the help. Hey, I'm tired as fuck, man. This is, you know what I mean? No power tools. It is what it is. Fucking tired, dude. So right now, we'll probably just go home, relax with the family, clean up a little bit, And I don't know. I'll see you guys in a little bit. See what we do. Peace. Nigga, I'm tired. Peace. Alright, y'all, look, check this out, man. My boy Club Yee.
Which wheel? Oh, this one?
Yeah, we're about to take on a, I don't know how many horsepower Viper it is, but you guys are gonna see real quick. But so funny story. This motherfucker's wheel on the way here came off. So I had to get some fucking I had to get some shit from my fucking
so I can start jacking.
from my car. I had to get 4 lug nuts from my car. And you know, hopefully we get this Viper kill. Hey, check this out, 4 Bangers Productions. Shout out Right Hand Drive Kev. Hey, give me a shout out, bro. Give me a shout out. You feel me? Feel me? Let me get some clout off you, nigga. You know what I mean? Hold on.
I got it. Go do your shit, bro.
Our production. Hey, make sure your studs are cool. Are your studs cool?
You gotta wait.
Oh, dude. Fuck.
Yeah, they're cool.
All right, good enough. Let's go. Why do we have steel ones? You racing?
I know, right?
Nigga shit'll rock OEM lug nuts.
Hey, where my sponsor at? Where my sponsor?
Dude, I bought mine for 40 bucks on eBay.
Sponsor me, bitch. Well, me.
You still recording? Hey, let's get it. Hurry up, fool.
Come on, bro. I gotta put my phone away. You ain't giving me no light.
You don't need no light, nigga. Jesus is the light, nigga. You feel me? Got 140 horsepower. Little GSR B20 VTEC. What are we doing?
DC headers.
DC headers, yep, DC headers.
Intake.
Skunk 2 Alpha Series intake manifold. Block throttle body.
That's right.
Downstar dressings. Hell yeah.
Oh, you stupid.
Let's go, fool.
Here's a supercharger, has a smaller pulley for more boost. The crank has a bigger pulley for more boost. Fuel rails, bigger injectors, fuel pressure regulator over there with A&N fittings for all the fuel lines. Has a pretty aggressive cam, all forged internals, forged pistons, forged rods, and then some other like more complicated things that people won't understand. So
Yeah. We'll fucking
it's running
narrow it down.
E85.
That's cool. Yeah, I smelled it. Hey yo, I'm practicing my 1320 scream. How should I be like 1, 2, 3, go, or like a little slower, like 1, 2, 3. Come on, man, you gotta give me some feedback, bro.
Yeah, do that. Just like that.
1, 2, 3, go, like that. Oh yeah, that's sick.